As data started growing, the ABAP reports could no longer be used. So archiving strategies were introduced, and then SAP came with another innovation. So it came with a new system called the Business Warehouse, or the BW system. So the BW system were read optimized, that is they were OLAP system optimized, that is online analytical processing. So now SAP has OLTP, that is write optimized database, and they have a read optimized system. So reporting was better now, but again this whole design itself had some flaw, so which you can see with this arrow, the replication, ETL, different geographies. So what does that mean? So the same data which was existing in the traditional database were needed to be replicated to the business warehouse system. So there was replication of data, so duplicacy. So, and if there were different formats data, say the traditional database has data from different geographies, so the date format will be different, the currency format will be different in this traditional database, but for reporting purpose we had to transform them using the ETL, extraction, transportation and loading process. So that was also an overhead. And the third and most important part is BW were replicated in batches. So the BW system were near real-time system, but they were not really real-time system.